Stephanie, who you hanging out with today? You're not with us on the set.
We're
what's
just
the deal
taking
with
a
that?
nap because he's too big. He's such a big boy.
He's such
Oh,
a
my
lover.
goodness.
Hey guys, this is Kiki.
Oh.
He's 2 years old. He's a mastiff, 80 pounds. He's just a solid boy. I can't even believe a dog this beautiful is in a shelter. I mean, that hasn't been adopted
Just
yet.
gorgeous.
So what happened
Face.
was he had an owner, and the owner ended up unfortunately becoming ill and was too ill to care for the dog. But what's good about that is that he's already housebroken. He has just magnificent manners. He can sit, he can shake, he can lay down. He's sweetheart. And you know what? I do want to mention this too, because you don't want a big dog like this on your furniture. I usually have the dogs on the chairs, and he wouldn't even get on the chair because he knew he wasn't supposed to. He was like, I don't know, Stephanie. So yeah, and Mastiffs, if you don't know about the breed, I mean, they're great guard dogs. Obviously, that would be very intimidating for a burglar. But they're also really devoted dogs. They're gentle, and they're just very affectionate. He's been kissing me all morning, and he's just a sweetheart. And I mean, the brindle coat, can you just not even get enough?
We should point out, though, he's very strong.
He's very strong, but
very
here's the
strong.
thing, and you know, I foster a lot of dogs, and I've worked with a lot of big animals. Just get a martingale, and you can control that. And so, and he's able to be. Look at him!
He's a lover.
Yeah,
goodness.
so
Now,
you can control that. I mean, he needs an owner that's strong, but he'll be good on a leash if you get a
Stephanie,
martingale.
Is Kiki good with kids?
Very good with kids, and very, very good in doggy daycare. He's been spending most of his time there, so very good with other dogs as well.
Go to cbsla.com for more information if you want to
Work it,
adopt that dog.
Kiki. Work